Hi everyone, it's Brenda here, and today we're going to dive into one of my favorite painting techniques, using a palette knife. If you're looking to add bold texture and dynamic energy to your artwork, then this is a tool for you. So what exactly is a palette knife? It's not just for mixing colors. You can actually use it to apply paint directly onto your surface. The flat, flexible blade allows you to create thick, expressive strokes, which is perfect for adding dimension and layers. When you use a palette knife, you're not just painting, you're sculpting with color. Look at how it spreads the paint effortlessly, leaving behind rich textured layers. I love how unpredictable the results can be. You can create mountains, abstract patterns, or even delicate details depending on the pressure and the angle you use. One thing I really enjoy is mixing colors directly on the canvas. As you drag the palette knife across the paint, the colors blend in unexpected ways, giving you a fresh and spontaneous look. I just love it. So another pro tip is don't be afraid to scrape off the paint. If you don't like a section, you can easily remove it and start again, or leave behind a really cool textured effect. Sometimes those happy accidents are the best part. And there you have it. A few simple strokes with a palette knife can completely transform your painting. It's just a versatile tool that will give you a lot of freedom to experiment, whether you're working with thick impasto like I am here, or thinner layers, or both, which you can see I'm doing here right now. I'm sculpting the vase. So grab your palette knife, get some paint out, and give it a try. Today I used my gouache, and but this would work equally as well with acrylic, and it's just so much fun. If you've never done it before, I just encourage you to try it. So grab your palette knife, some paint, give it a try. Let me know in the comments if you're inspired to use this technique in your next project, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more fun painting tips. This coming year I'm going to try and build my following up so that I can monetize my YouTube channel, really. That's why. That would be great. Anyway, thank you so much for checking out this palette knife painting demonstration, and I hope that you give it a try, and I would love to see what you do. Talk to you later. Bye. Oh yeah, one thing I wanted to tell you. This painting took me 17 minutes, and I have sped it up 3 times as fast to fit into this 5-minute video. Thanks for watching. Bye.